Hi again. I'm so happy as always to make another interesting lesson for you. Actually, in this lesson, we're learning the words that start with WH. These are the most commonly used words in English. So, let's go through it. If you're new here, hit the button subscribe and don't miss further interesting lessons. Now, let's take a look at the words. WH words. Now, actually, we don't read or we don't pronounce the letter H here. The first letter is W. 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 Let's read it together. Whale. 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 While. While. So, one of my previous video, I actually mentioned that if the word finishes to letter E, we don't pronounce the letter E. The letter E is silent. And this is actually long I. While. While. Wheat. 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 Wheel. Double E is pronounced like E. Wheel. Wheel. When. This is the WH question word. When. When. What. 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 Why? We say this word when we want to know the reason. To know the time. Yes, to know the time. What? To know what is it. And why? To know the reason. Why? Why? Okay, let's take a look at the second row. Where? We mention it when we want to know the place. Where? Where is my phone? Where is your mom? Where are you going? Where? Where? Weather. 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 Which? 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 Wine. 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 Whisper. 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 Whistle. Whistle. Actually, I can't whistle. Can you whistle? Can you whistle? Whistle. Last but not least, one of my favorite colors, white. 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 Okay, so as you've noticed, we don't pronounce the letter H, right? Let's review all the words and try to repeat after me. If you want to, you can repeat several times till you feel better. Okay, let's go. Whale. While. Wheat. Wheel. When. What? What is it? What's going on? What happened? Why? Why are you leaving? Why is she going? Why are you asking? Why? Where? Where? Where are my glasses? Where is my laptop? Weather. Weather. which, which. Which one is your favorite food? Which one is your favorite one? Wine, wine. Whisper, whisper. Whistle, whistle. White, white. Okay, it's time to see those words and examples. Let me read the sentences. Why are you here? Why are you here? So I'm using here rising, falling, right? Why are you here? So in this question sentence, the word why is a WH word. Why? Why are you here? What is the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? Okay, and this sentence, the word what is a WH word. What? What? What is? What is? I'm connecting, right? What is? What is? What is the matter? Or what's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? Where's my cell phone? Where is my cell phone? Where? Where is? I'm also connecting. I'm again connecting. Where is? Where is? Where is my cell phone? Where is my cell phone? Where is my cell phone? Bread is made of wheat. Bread is made of wheat. Yes, we all agree on that. Bread is made of wheat. Wheat. Everything is white in winter. Yes, I totally agree. I couldn't agree more. Everything is white in winter, especially in my country. So sometimes we can live for about 4 months winter. It starts actually in the middle of November, snowing, and it may continue till the middle of March. Everything is white in winter. White in winter. Okay, let me review all the words. Why? What? Where? Wheat? Wheat? White? White? Okay, I hope the lesson was helpful, and repeat the words many times. So, see you next time. Bye-bye.